Hey everybody, right now I'm working with Matboard value pack. You get it at Hobby Lobby, $5.99, 12 by 12, 35 pieces. This stuff is wonderful. It's a little thicker than just poster board and you can actually do pours on it. So we're going to do another pour today. It comes in all different colors. And it has the texture of a canvas. A little bit of a raise in it. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. So this is great stuff. Okay, I have all this extra paint in all these little containers and I'm going to use it up. So let's see what we can come up with. This is all different metallics from my lion pour, so we're going to use it. I'm going to wet a paper towel and I think I'm going to do a balloon. Okay, I want to do another black stripe over that. Got a little balloon here I tied. It's a long skinny balloon. I just put a little air in, cut it at the ends, tied it. Oh, I don't like this one, but I'm going to save it. Well, my camera, I noticed, turned off on me, so I'm back online. Hopefully I didn't miss a bunch. I'm determined this piece is going to look good. Okay, there's that. I'm going to try a little dry brushing. That's where you use a stiffer bristle and you dry the paint off your brush with a paper towel. Give these little swirls a little highlight. Just wipe it off with a paper towel. Add a little more color here. It's giving it a little more. Gives it a little more shine right there. You want to pull your brush in the direction where you want it the darkest to the lightest, and that's how you dry brush. That adds a little. shine to the metallics are showing up really well. And that's dry brushing. I'm going to add the gold glitter. Hope this doesn't ruin it. Okay, let's see how this works. Gives it just a little more pizzazz. It's a little tough to squeeze this bottle. You can't go too fast, it'll separate. So you gotta be careful. That's what it needed though. This glitter sets it off, looks really good. I hope my head's not in a lot of these shots. Sorry if it is. I am loving this piece and I hated it when I did it yesterday. I thought I can't make nothing out of this, but this is really neat. Pretty piece. This is pretty. I have some black glitter I'm going to put in the middle of each flower. That'll separate the flowers a little bit, give them a little more pizzazz. Flatten these out just a dab, a little too high. I want them to be 3D but not quite so sticky at me, much better. When this dries, it does dry a little flatter. As you can see, I'm just using a toothpick to flatten them out. Here's what that looks like. And when it dries, they'll be shiny. Very nice. For this little tight spot, I'm just going to put a little dab on the toothpick. Wipe your toothpick off. You don't want to have a big dried up glob at the end. It'll mess up your detail. I'm loving this piece. It was my least favorite of the 5 I did yesterday, and I bet you it ends up being my favorite. When you put these down, they look like little kisses, chocolate kisses. They have that little tip on them. You don't want that. You want them to look rounded, more so than the little tip. Flatten out that tip. All done. See how it dries like it's on a piece of canvas? I love this mat board. So pretty. This is a really pretty piece. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. You have a good day.